Welcome to this overview video of Cubewise Pulse, your ultimate software for mastering your IBM Planning Analytics applications. Cubewise Pulse has been built for IBM Planning Analytics and designed to monitor, understand, and migrate with ease your applications. So let's dive first into the live monitoring feature. So I'm going to jump into the Pulse web client. So what you can see here are all your tier 1 servers and your tier 1 instances below. And you can quickly see with just one screen that if there is something wrong in one instance, you can quickly see here. So on this screen, what you can see is that on one instance, there is a wait, so someone has been waiting and an execution. So you can see it's on this server. So if you go down, you will be able to quickly see that the execution and the wait is happening on here on this instance. So you can just click on this instance and now you will be able to see the monitoring of this specific tier 1 server. So you can click this button to only see the active sessions. One user executing a process here and another user which is here waiting at this stage. The key aspect is that Pulse is not only monitoring your tier 1 instance, it's also capturing all the data within a robust database, allowing for a precise second-by-second account of events. So this is what I want to show you right now. So I'm going to show you that if something happened, you can easily go back in the past and quickly see what was happening second by second. So to do this, I'm going to use the feature of Pulse, which is called the Pulse Explorer. All right, so in this live monitor dashboard, what is different from the web client is that now you see all the data in the last 15 minutes for all your tier 1 instances. And we can see that if you remember a few minutes ago, there was a wait, and you can see that even if the wait is not happening right now, you can see that you have the wait now, and you can go back to see what was happening at this stage. So on this screen, you can see for all your tier 1 instances, you can see all the sessions. If you scroll down, you will see all your tier 1 server logs. So what is really nice here is you can click on a chart and you can filter by a tier 1 instance. So then instead of looking at all your logs, you can see just the logs for one tier 1 instance. So you can see the filter here. And if you zoom in like this to the beginning of the event, so you can see that now we are second by second, and you will be able to see the thread that was running and the one that was waiting here. So last but not least, on this video, I wanted to give you a quick overview of the migration feature of Pulse. So Pulse simplified the migration between tier 1 servers, allowing you to move cubes, processes, rules without restarting your tier 1 instances. So if you go to the migration features on the left side from the menu, you can see you will be able to see all your few packages. You can see you can create package, import package if you have multiple Pulse environments. So there is an approval feature that you can enforce if you want. It means that if you turn this setting on, each time you create a migration package, before it can be executed, it needs to be approved by someone else. You can see an execution history of all the migration that happened in the past. When you create a package, what is really nice with Pulse is that you can select your tier 1 instance, and then you can select your cube, because as you know, when you want to migrate a cube with tier 1, you need to select the cube, the dimension, the attributes. So with Pulse, you can just select the main object. Like in here, I select one cube, I click next. It's going to get your cube, the rules. And then if you click next, it's going to find all the dependencies. So now Pulse is including all the dimensions. And if you go, you can see a few elements. You have also the rules for the drill. You have the attributes cube, the pick list cube, they are all included in your migration package. So now you can just name your package and then execute it. And when you execute it, it's going to create this object into your target environment without having to restart your tier 1 instance. So Cubewise Pulse is more than just a monitoring tool. It's a comprehensive solution that transforms how you interact with IBM Planning Analytics. Thank you for watching. Discover more about Cubewise Pulse on our website, code.cubewise.com/pulse, and take control of your tier 1 servers today.